In math class, my students are always asking me, when are we going to use this? Let me show you how useful and festive math can be. Consider this really helpful and important equation here. We have y is equal to the natural log of the quantity of x minus msa over m over r squared. The first thing we're going to want to do here is multiply both sides by r squared. When we do that, these r squareds are going to cancel out on the right side of the equation. Now when we do that, we're left with this equation of y times r squared is equal to the natural log of the quantity of x minus msa over m. Now instead of writing this x minus msa over m, let's go ahead and separate this into two different fractions. So you can see when we put this x over m, that's this fraction right over here, but when we have this msa over m, these m's are going to cancel out, so we're just left with sa. Then to get rid of this natural log, let's go ahead and exponentiate both sides using a base of e, since that's the base of the natural log. So remember when we exponentiate and this base of e matches the base of the logarithm, those are going to go ahead and cancel out. So on the left side, we're going to be left with this e to the yr squared. And on the right side, we have x over m minus sa. Next, let's clear out the fractions by multiplying both sides by m. So on the left side, we're going to have m times e to the yr squared. And on the right side, these m's are going to go ahead and cross cancel. So that'll leave us with an x. And then multiplying this m times sa, we can just write msa. Finally, let's remember that r squared just means r times r, so let's go ahead and expand that and use the commutative property to turn things around a little bit for the exponents. So on the left side, we have m times e to the rry power. And on the right side, let's go ahead and rearrange this multiplication problem and write x minus m times a times s. And just like that, we solved absolutely nothing. Oh, and happy holidays.